Hello everyone, this is Bharat signing in. Today I will show you how to change the paging file size of all drives in your system. So, how is the page file used? When you open up all the programs, games, applications, browsers, etc. you ever use at once. In each program, open as many documents, web pages, videos, photos, etc. as you ever use. In other words, load up your system as much as possible to the maximum you ever expect to use at one time. So, how to check all those performance of the memory that has been used by all those processes? Just click Control Shift and Escape and you will be opening a task manager like this. Here is the task manager. You have files, process, performance, app history, startup, users, details, services. In that, click performance as we want the performance that has been the memory that has been using by the system right now. See, I have 1.9 GB in use and I have 1.5 GB available. As my RAM size is 4 GB, I have 1.5 GB available for me now. So, why to increase that one? Let's check why to increase that one. 1.9 GB, isn't it useful? Isn't it enough? Or we have to increase a lot? See, I am not using any applications right now, but the system is using 1.9 GB for the operating system. Uh, that's how much memory is used by operating system and all the programs and documents you have got open now. So take this memory, add a fudge factor of 25 to 50%. Let's say that I have 4 GB of memory, that is the RAM, and if we add 50% of fudge factor, then that gives 6 GB. The purpose of fudge factor is to provide a safety margin so that you don't run out of space of your programs under the worst scenario. See how to add that fudge factor and 50% fudge factor to your files and your paging files. See, I will be showing you. Let's say this has 1.9 GB. Let's remove it. Open my computers. Right click it. Properties. See, here you have an advanced system settings to the left where you have device manager, remote settings, system protection, advanced and everything. Just click advanced. Yes, you have computer name, hardware, advanced, system protection, remote, etc. everything. So click settings, in the advanced tab to the first where the performance is shown. Click settings and you will be opening a visual effect, advanced, data execution prevention, etc. all these pages. Okay, click the advanced tab and you have virtual memory in that advanced tab. A paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it is a RAM. Okay, see, if it were RAM, see, this this memory that we give will be used as RAM and will be shown as the RAM to the system and will be using that memory as a RAM. So this is a paging file that for all the drives that you have. Change it and this uncheck the checkbox and you will be getting the system manager settings and custom size. Click on the custom size here. Custom size, initial size, maximum size. Initial size is the the 4096. This is the memory that I have and I have to add 2 GB maximum size. So I'll be opening calculator. Yeah, calculator. 4096 divided by 2. 2 is nothing but the half, 50%. It's the fudge factor that we use. 2048 and 4096 plus 4096 6144. this this is the size that we are going to use as a fudge factor. 6144, this is the fudge factor that we use. If you have subtract, if the total size is 4 GB, total size is 6 GB here, subtract the amount of actual RAM from it. My actual RAM is 4096, and by subtracting you will get 2 GB, that is 2048. uh, 2048. Then your page file needs 2 GB or 2 GB in size. If the amount of actual RAM is larger than the memory number you came up with, then changes that you made no to the page file doesn't need. If you have 6 GB, it doesn't need any page file customization. So for example, Photoshop 6 wouldn't work for unless I enabled a page file, even if it was tiny one. So some apps that are in use will be using the page files as like this. So it may be useful for everyone. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Thanks everyone. Keep liking me and encourage me for doing some more videos. Thank you.